Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gin & Tonic, and today I want to teach you one of our delicious signature drinks, a drink which I've designed for our Grand Central bar, one of the many cocktail bars we have inside Elephant and Castle, Mercato Metropolitano. So yeah, if you're ever around in the area, feel free to pop in and ask for an apple Fandango. Let's get to it. So we're going to be using fresh ingredients for this, and I'm gonna start off by muddling just a segment of ginger. We're gonna muddle that in, and then we're gonna add just 1 leaf of basil. For the star of our show, we're gonna be using Mercato Mediterranean gin, which we distill up in Elephant and Castle, 40 ml. We're going to be adding elderflower liqueur, and I suggest you use a decent brand for this one. I'm using Hedgepig, not just because of their quality, which is amazing, but also for their sustainability. So 15 ml of elderflower and 10 ml of just simple sugar syrup. I'm using 2 parts sugar, 1 part water for mine. Next, it's time to add a bit of balance. So we're going to add fresh lime juice, 25 ml. You may want to measure everything you're pouring in. Sometimes the lemon is 25, sometimes it's not. So 40 ml of fresh apple juice. And now we're ready to ice it up and give it a firm shake. We will be using a tall glass for this drink, and we're gonna go ahead and ice that up all the way to the brim. So I'm gonna go ahead and double strain everything, getting rid of all the bits of ginger, bits of basil, but also those nasty little ice chips there. Lovely vibrant color on it. Now, as a garnish, since we're on the apple side of things, we're gonna go ahead and make a lovely, lovely apple fan. We will be prompting a tutorial with all of these fun garnishes as well. Don't worry, it's on the way. Right, so I suggest you stick the straw in first so you don't have to bother the garnish afterwards. Just on the side. And then a lovely, lovely apple fan. Pushing that even further with fresh basil, just a sprig on the top. So there we have it, guys. Apple Fandango, the drink that's gonna leave the taste buds dancing. Enjoy, cheers.